Okay, guys, in today's video, we will be checking out two major assets that we can actually leverage on in order for us to make some good profit for ourselves today. Actually, we've analyzed these assets yesterday, and of course, the analysis is still going on, and we still need to revisit it again to see how we can secure a good profit from these two assets. And these two assets are Ganex 999 and also Penex. Penex 1200. Okay, so we'll be checking out these assets together. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there um, to reply you. Okay. And of course, guys, if you want my free trading signal, also you want the full details of it in figures, then you can join my Telegram channel. It is 100% free. The link is in the description box, or you check the pin down message, okay, within the comment section. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 999. So this is GainX 999, and this has been on 50. This is on 15-minute time frame. I'm using a custom-made indicator. In case you are wondering why my chart is a bit different from what you are having there, I'm using a custom-made indicator, and of course, this helps me to analyze better. If you want the indicator, you can let me know, okay? But you need to reach out to me via WhatsApp. So this actually started an uptrend from this support zone. Just like you guys have known, I only trade the trend. Okay, I don't go against the trend. No serious analysis. I just follow the trend using my own strategy. Okay, so and this actually got to this resistance zone. We actually thought it's going to sell right from here. Sold for a while actually, but went back up to break out above the resistance zone to get to a new resistance zone. Each time it gets to a resistance zone or support zone, I usually mark out the zones to see if there will be a breakout. Okay, so I marked out the resistance zone at this point, and since there was no breakout, it switched into a downtrend. So this gives me an opportunity to set up my trade for a sell signal. Okay, so when it switched into a downtrend, gave me the downtrend signal and also gave me a sell signal. Okay, so which means a sell signal is better on a downtrend than a buy signal. Okay, and of course, this is also coming from a major resistance zone. So just like you guys have known, okay, from the general basic knowledge of forex trading, it is easier to sell from the resistance zone than than selling from the support zone. Okay, so this is very very important. So this is with all that put together, you can see that this is a good trade signal. The only reason why this will not sell is if it breaks out above the resistance zone. And luckily for us, it didn't break out above the resistance zone. So we add our entry point after getting the sell signal from here, entry point, and I adjusted the resistance zone downward a bit to get a suitable stop loss for this trade. Okay, so this is my stop loss, my entry point. Just like you guys have seen, I always add stop loss to whatever trading activities I am doing because it is part of the strategy that you should learn to use. Okay, so I also highlighted my TPs, TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, those are the main TPs. Okay, however, if I still want to earn more, this is the sixth one. That is why the color is different from all the other TPs. Okay, so and as you can see, we've achieved the first one, second one, and right now we've just achieved the third one. We had the pullback at this point, but the pullback only took us back to the entry point and came back again, and that is an opportunity for whoever that wants to come in. Probably you missed out from here, then you can still come in and still build the market. So we've actually milked it to the top TPs. So if you had opened different orders for each of the TPs, just the way I usually advise, then that means three orders will have closed right now, and you will have like two to three orders still on, okay? But those ones will also be in big profit at the moment, okay? So that is it. That is the beautiful part of it, okay? So this is, we still expect this to sell, even though right here is a support zone, and that is why we are having a delay around there. So hopefully we are waiting for it to break out from there. If it breaks out from there, then definitely it should achieve this TP, this one, and also this one. However, because of this support zone, you can also lock up some part of your profit on the other three orders that are still on right now. Okay, so this is very, very important. And of course, guys, let's check out the second asset, which is going to be Paynex 1200. If you remember very well, few days ago, I think 2 or 3 days ago, we actually did this analysis when it got to this support zone, and I told you that this is giving us double um support, I mean double touch on this support zone. And of course, if it's not going to break out from there, if it's switching to an uptrend, then definitely it's going to be a good opportunity for us to buy. And as you can see, we actually bought it till it got to the resistance zone. So right here, got to the resistance zone, tried to go back down and went back up again, got to the resistance zone again. This is giving us double touch on the resistance zone, okay, just the way you are saying it. And of course, guys, it has also not been able to break out from there, so it's switching back into a downtrend right now. We don't know how far this will go, but we want to believe that this is a good setup for us right now, because if you should also check it out around there, it also got to the same resistance zone and was unable to break out from there, and it switched into a downtrend and it sold. Okay, so it has gotten there again, and if it breaks out, though if it breaks out from there, it's going to buy more. But just the way we are saying it, it is finding difficult to break out from there, so we are expecting it to sell. That is why we have our entry point at this point. We are having our entry point at this point right now. So if it get there and it's activated, then definitely we are most likely to have a good selling opportunity right from there. So right here, I'm going to adjust this a bit, so probably somewhere here, okay, for our stop loss. Okay, the reason is um so this is going to be our entry point. It is yet to activate it. We hope that it comes down and activates it. And this is going to be our stop loss. And let's see our TPs, guys. This is going to be the first TP because it is going to be the spiky part of Paynex. I want the TP to be somewhere here so that we can easily achieve that easily in case we have multiple orders. Okay. Now let's set the second TP. The second TP is going to be somewhere here, and we're going to set the third TP right now. I'm going to move this upward. So this is going to be the third TP, and right here is going to be the fourth TP. Okay. So this is going to be a win-win opportunity for us, and of course, I want to believe that this is going to give us a lot of profit if it goes our own way. Okay, so I believe that this should sell. That is, if it does not break out above the resistance zone. However, if it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. So I just want to believe that once it triggers our entry point, we should have more opportunity to milk the market for a very long time. So these are all that we are able to come up with today. And of course, all you just need to do is just to keep an eye on it, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how much profit we can make today. Okay. And of course, tomorrow we're still going to come up with more analysis and drop more trading signals within the comment within the Telegram channel, so that you guys can also benefit from it. Okay. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I will advise you to do that right now, because that is the only way you can be notified each time I upload a training video like this. Thank you and God bless you.